This module focuses on building a strong foundation in numbers. For this level, we will be focusing on counting numbers to 100, recognizing numerals, comparing quantities, and understanding basic number bonds. These early number skills provide the stepping stones for later learning of the 4 operations. By mastering numbers up to 100, students will be well equipped to tackle the exciting world of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The following is a checklist of what students should master from the module.